Live from Studio 5, this is NBC 5 News Today at 6.
Breaking news, okay? We got Andy Avalos to tell us about what the weather is going to be like for our area.
Okay, hey guys, it's Andy Avalos here. We have some very, very, very cold weather right now. Not much snow, but instead of snow, we're getting really cold weather. As you can see here on our map, Aurora is going to be pink, and when it means pink, it's going to be really cold. Blue is like snow, but it's not going to snow, as I said earlier. Oh, finally, here are the numbers. -6 in Aurora. That's like crazy. Imagine being in one of those high schools and having to go to school in -6 degrees. Ooh, look at that snow total, 7 inches of snow. That's almost as big as my.
Hey, you can say
This is getting out of hand. Oh God.
a breaking news scene out of a suburb in Chicago. We got a burning down house. We got images with Big O.
Oh my God, not the fire.
This was a very sad topic to talk about. Big O, what do you got to say to these accusations you were made?
Oh, what accusations?
Your house burned down.
Hey, my house didn't burn down. It was because my mixtape was too lit that there was just a fire in my house. There's a difference between when a fire and there's a house and then burning a house. Like, here's an example. So one time I was cooking in the kitchen because my mom wasn't home. Whoa, no, that was a joke. Please don't sue us. Then I dropped the spicy chili, and I was making tortilla rolls, but all I went to was a Taco Bell, so I wasn't very experienced. So then I called ICE, also known as Immigration Containment Entertainment, and then I said, hey, can you help me finish this taco? And they said, hey, that's racist, we'll arrest you. I said, oh yeah, you know what, I'm gonna throw my flaming taco at you. And then I got arrested for trying to kill an ICE worker. Ooh.
Hey, we don't associate that with NBC News. Breaking news, we got more breaking news. IPSD 204 has issued a statement concerning the weather news about tomorrow. Here we got Big O with his Android camera to talk about more information.
Hey, it's your boy Big O. I'm here today to talk about the snow day, which is really unfair because, as you can see on my right arm, it is like very dangerous for me because of the fact that I've gotten frostbite on my entire left arm, thanks to Karen Sullivan and everyone at IPSD District 204. This is getting out of hand, man. What I want is less injuries, and I'm gonna sue them for child endangerment.
This is the statement from IPSD that they say that will monitor the situation overnight, but I highly doubt that. Big O, what do you have to say about this tweet?
Bro, this is so unfair. It is -6 degrees outside and we're still going to our education. This is very unfair because I got frostbite trying to wait for the bus driver. Then the bus driver threw a snowball at me and that just made the ice burn worse. This is really unfair. So what I did is that I kidnapped his family and they're still held up for ransom at the address. Whoa, what's that sound? That's the FBI. Oh, God.
Hey, that was very inappropriate. Now it's time to roast IPSD 204. But before that, we're going to go to a quick commercial break. Hey, whoa, yo. Hit him. No big. Hey, you finna die, baby. Got Big O, and we're back, and we're gonna roast IPSD. What do you gotta say?
Bro, this is so unfair. Like, if they were a soccer team, they would definitely be losing with -1 to -1. Because there's been nothing but bad news because of this. Literally, people are getting frostbite and they're dying. And, like, this guy, NFL Pro Bowl on Disney XD. This is epic now. I think that NFC is going to win. What do you think?
NFL prediction video. Get back to topic.
But it's the NFL Pro Bowl, bro.
Who cares?
Okay, fine. As I was saying before I got off topic, pretty much how it worked is that I was walking and then I fell and I get hit. And the reason why I got hit was because there was a piece of ice that fell off the Wabanzi building and it hurt me a lot. And the person who threw it,
It's left 2, and what's the X mean?
that means that it's like to the left by 2. So usually,
I know
know,
it means left 2, but is that all it means?
yeah, that's all it means.
Hey, what was that? That was not part of the.
I mean, as I was saying, so we were talking about triangle proofs. So as I was saying, yeah, this is why the government needs to be reopened so we can make more NFL videos.
Yeah, so we're on a tight budget. X-Script's not getting paid more, and I'm just trying to waste some time to get to 10 minutes. Oh, no one said this is my channel. Alright, so that's it for the NBC5 news at whatever time you watch this. IPSD has not canceled school, so right now we're recording this at the school because it didn't cancel, and I'm very sad. Like the time that Takashi 69 went to jail, and then our whole channel went down. It's kind of sad though. Big O, what do you got to say about him going to jail? How do you think he's doing?
Hey, it's your boy Takashi 69. It's me. I ran away from police. Hey, what's that sound? Oh God, they found me again.
Alright, so I guess that's it for the NBC5 news. At whatever you're watching this, have a bad day. Oh wait, have a great day.